Hello everyone, welcome back to Hello Express channel. Today's video is going to be really interesting because today we are going to talk about the drone technology. Also, we will discuss its benefits and the intelligence used in drone technology. So, without further ado, let's start the video.
A drone is an unmanned aircraft. Drones are more formally known as unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, or unmanned aircraft systems. Essentially, a drone is a flying robot that can be remotely controlled or fly separately using software-controlled flight plans in its embedded systems that work in conjunction with onboard sensors and a global positioning system (GPS).
The drones have two basic functions, the flight mode and navigation.
To fly, drones must have a power source such as battery or fuel. They also have rotors, propellers, and a frame. Drones have a large number of components including electronic speed controllers which control a motor's speed and direction, flight controller, GPS module, battery, antenna, receiver, cameras, sensors including ultrasonic sensors and collision avoidance sensor, accelerometer which measures speed. Navigation systems. Navigation systems such as GPS are typically housed in the nose of a drone. The GPS on a drone communicates its precise location to the controller. Drones can be equipped with sensors including ultrasonic, laser or lidar distance sensors, time of flight sensors, chemical sensors, and stabilization and orientation sensors. Some drones use sensors to detect obstacles and avoid collisions.
There are two main types of drone platforms, the rotor and the fixed wing.
Rotor, including single rotor or multi-rotor, such as tricopters, quadcopters, hexacopters, and octocopters, and fixed wing, which include the hybrid vertical takeoff and landing VTOL drones that don't require runways. Many personal drones are available for consumer use. Operators are often beginners who are looking to simply fly them for fun or racing. Stronger, more capable drones are also available for use in commercial settings. In situ, a Boeing company offers the Scan Eagle, a UAV with a 10-foot wingspan and weighs about 35 pounds. In situ also builds the Integrator, an 80-pound aircraft with a 16-foot wingspan. In situ drones do not take off from runways. Instead, they use VTOL capabilities in the company's launchers and recovery system. In addition to in situ, other commercial drone manufacturers include 3D Robotics, DJI, Hubsan, Identified Technologies, Measure, Parrot, Precision Hawk, and Unique. History. Drones go back to 1849 Italy, when Venice was fighting for its independence from Austria. Austrian soldiers attacked Venice with hot air, hydrogen, or helium-filled balloons equipped with bombs. The first pilotless radio-controlled aircraft was used in World War I. The first generally used drone appeared in 1935 as a full-size retooling of the de Havilland DH-82B Queen Bee biplane. It was fitted with a radio and servo mechanism operated controls in the backseat. Drones have continued to be mainstay in the military as a part of military IoT, playing these roles: intelligence, aerial surveillance, force protection, search and rescue, artillery spotting, target following and acquisition, battle damage assessment, reconnaissance, weaponry. Drones are now also used in a range of civilian roles including the search and rescue, surveillance, traffic monitoring, weather monitoring, firefighting, personal use, drone-based photography, videography, agriculture, and delivery service. Many countries have established UAV regulations as drone usage grows in popularity. Laws are continually changing. Personal and commercial drones pilot must check the laws of the country and locality in which they are operating the devices. In China, flying higher than 400 feet requires a drone license from the Civil Aviation Administration of China. In the UK, the Civil Aviation Authority (CAA) restricts drones from flying above 500 feet. Forecasts for the drone market are aggressive and optimistic. Grandview Research has predicted revenue from the commercial drone market will reach to $501.4 billion in 2028, up from $20.8 billion in 2021. Markets and market said the drone services market will grow to $40.7 billion by 2026, up from $13.9 billion in 2021.